sometimes I am going to make some small mistakes, so don't worry about that. Please go through the subject only. Okay. Sometimes I am going to write some small spelling mistakes. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, so now I am going to explain you one of the another benefit in the previous lesson. I tell some of the benefits in the previous concept. I tell some of the benefits. So now we are going to understand another important one of the benefit for the HRIS is HRIS security and privacy. Means HRIS security and privacy. Okay, so what is this HRIS? I already tell that human resource information system. Human resource information system provides you a very good security and privacy, because for example the organization is not at one place, so the organization may be in different places. For example, so this is one organization and this is another same organization in different place. So it is at Bangalore and it is at Hyderabad, and another one same office will be there in Visakhapatnam. Okay, so there are three things is there. So generally the main HR will be there. He is going to be manages the complete information system regarding the entire organization. So these organizations are connected in a particular network. These all organizations are connected to a network. So that means the data can be transferred from anywhere to anywhere, because the employee information, whoever the employees will be there, the employees informations will be transferred from one place to another place, or an employee of a particular place will be must managed and maintained by the main HR in the main branch. So there will be a sub branches or number of branches will be there. Every branch is also having some HR manager will be there. He is going to be manages this particular organization, he is going to be manages this particular organization, and he is going to be manages this particular organization. But the entire organization branches will be dealt by the main HR. Okay, main HR through information system called HRIS, Human Resource Information System. So what happens? So the employee details, the entire employee details are very secure sometimes. Okay, the one employee details, salaries and other things are very confidential. The data that is stored in the database or information system, HRIS software database, is very high secure. So the data, whenever the data transferred from one place to another place or one branch to another branch, it will be transferred through very secured way we call that is cryptography, that will be basically developed by the developers whenever they want to send the data from one place to another place. So that thing is, whenever he from this a particular employee details is, this HR is going to be sent the details, the employee is going to be transferred from this branch to this branch. So at the same time his entire information is going to be transferred through application, means information system. So this will be transferred through network. So there will be end-to-end encryption and decryptions must be there. So with different types of security algorithms will be dealt by the developers, generally at the background. Okay, whatever it may be, we are telling that the security and privacy must be provided by the HR. So the software is that much managed, organized, like this. So that's why it is also one of the benefit HR security. HRIS is going to be provides very good security and privacy. Okay, then we will move to types of HRIS softwares. Types of HRIS softwares. Okay, types of HRIS softwares. So means how many types of HRIS softwares? There are mainly three types of HRIS softwares. Small scale industries, okay, middle scale and large scale industries will be there. According to the size and bandwidth of the organization, the information system called HRIS, Human Resource Information System, is going to be developed. So what is the examples for the small scale HRIS software? So generally all the educational institutions or small organizations is having some HRIS, means information system, is having very small amount of data. So that means not small amount. So it is the small for this type of organization. Okay, so at the middle scale managements like IT companies is managing multiple branches in a particular country, or a small scale IT companies is come under the middle level or middle scale HRIS softwares. So having within the country, the branches will be there in the within the country, then we can say that is the middle scale HRIS softwares. Those softwares are going to be manages the multiple branches with the multiple places. And large scale HRIS system. So large scale means whenever we are moving for large scale HRIS systems, so there is a continent to continent. For example, the branch, for example, India is having some branch, at the same time UK is also having some branch for any IT company or any organization, any big organization like what is automobile companies. So the automobile companies having the branches in various countries also. So the entire details of the automobiles and everything is going to be stored and manipulated, organized and maintained by the HRIS only. So this type of, it is whenever we are going to apply for the large scale HRIS systems, it is going to be used. Okay, these are the types of human resource information system softwares. Okay, come to importance of HRIS nowadays. So we are going to understand importance of HRIS. What is the importance of HRIS? Generally we know that human resource information system takes very major role whenever very major goal is going to be performed in the organizations, any type of organization, that is the small scale organizations or medium level organizations or very large scale organizations. So importance of HRIS, for example, we are taking that human resource information system is used to manage, organize, manipulate the details of different types of employees. Why is this type of details are managed? For accuracy purpose, for maintaining efficiency purpose,